I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by examining the Slinky closely. You want to identify broken coils, kinks, or bent ends so you know the repair path. Use a magnifier and feel along the length to find tight spots. This tells you where tension changed. Once identified, clean the area with a soft cloth to remove dirt that hides defects, and clamp nearby coils gently with pliers to stabilize the spring before you make adjustments. You now focus on straightening and realigning compromised coils. Make small, controlled bends with needle nose pliers so you avoid overstressing metal. When coils are separated, overlap 1 to 2 turns and compress evenly so the spring regains continuity. This restores motion and prevents snagging. If a coil is broken, gently tuck the end into the adjacent coil and apply a tiny drop of flexible adhesive to hold it. Make sure the splice stays smooth so it won't catch during use. You finish by testing the Slinky through several slow stretches and compressions to verify smooth travel. Watch for any new snags or uneven motion. If you see burrs or rough edges, trim and lightly file, then repolish and reapply a small amount of adhesive where needed so the spring moves freely. If binding persists, stop and isolate the problematic coil. Repeat targeted straightening and overlapping. This focused rework usually resolves remaining issues without undoing the entire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.